how to fix Instagram confirmation code problem easy and fast. Hello guys, so to fix this problem is very easy, so please keep watching until the end. First step you have to do is open the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager, and after that go to apps and click here on Instagram. Click on Instagram, and now click on the force stop, go to storage, click on the clear data and clear cache. Now the last thing you have to do is just click here on the home page and restart your phone and reopen Instagram. It's very easy fix. So after that you will start receiving the confirmation code if you have connected it with your messages or your WhatsApp. And yeah, that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.